Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are day 48 of 100 days of cloud by Cloud. In the day 48 task, we are going to create the Lambda function by using the CloudFormation template. Before going to do this task, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also give a like to this video. In this task, we are creating a CloudFormation template to create the Lambda function and the IAM role. We will give a zip file to the CloudFormation template about the Lambda function. And here is the task: create a Lambda function with Lambda function lambda, and the runtime should be Python. The function should print the welcome to KKE AWS Labs, the status code 200, and the IAM role should be Lambda execution role. Create a file xfusion lambda.yaml. I will give you this CloudFormation template in the description, and no changes are need to be done to this CloudFormation template. You should only change the function name. That's it. Lambda function name xfusion lambda, and the runtime Python, status code 200. Save the file. Now let's create the stack. AWS CloudFormation create stack, and the stack name xfusion lambda app, and the template file xfusion lambda.yaml. Enter. Now this was created. You can check using the console login. Search CloudFormation and lambda, and the stack was created successfully. Check the lambda function. And this is the template that we are actually used using the CloudFormation template. Let's try to test. And see, we're able to get the status code 200 and welcome to KKE AWS Labs. Now let's check the task. And we are successfully complete this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.